Welcome to this LinkPoint Blade tutorial. Here, we'll demonstrate how to use the side panel to view Salesforce records directly from Outlook. The LinkPoint Blade side panel is dynamically connected to your Salesforce account. Click on an email in the inbox. Note that the side panel automatically refreshes with search results based on the sender and recipient email addresses. From there, users have the option to view and interact with Salesforce data in a number of different ways. Use the search bar to locate additional records based on name, email address, or other keywords. Click the refresh icon to reset the search results. Side panel results are organized by Salesforce object. You can click to collapse or expand each section to make room in the side panel as needed. Each object group contains snapshots of the record from Salesforce. You can view high-level details to determine whether the record is the exact one you are looking for. To view additional and other related information for a record, click the Record Details icon. You can also interact with each record from the side panel. Click the Edit Record icon to edit an existing Salesforce record in a snap form. Click the Create New Record icon to create a new Salesforce record related to the selected item. Click the Append Comment icon to add a quick comment to the Salesforce description field for the record. To view the record in Salesforce, click the Open Record icon. The bottom of the side panel will display records where an email can be or may have already been recorded to. For easy, frequent access, be sure to pin the side panel open within Outlook. Note that the side panel displays information based on your existing permissions and configurations in Salesforce. However, some settings can be adjusted to enhance record viewing in the side panel. Click the Preferences icon to open the Preferences pane. Locate the Salesforce object you wish to configure. Click the checkbox for Search, Create, and Edit Records to enable the object in the side panel search results. Uncheck the box to disable the setting. Click the checkbox for Automatically Expand in the search results to have the information appear expanded by default in the side panel. Uncheck the box to disable the setting. For more information, visit LinkPoint360.com.